Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to get started using Grammarly within Google Chrome. So you can add this extension for free, or you can have it if you have the premium account, but this is available for free to everyone. Alright, so the simplest way to add Google Chrome's Grammarly extension is to simply do a Google search or start with Grammarly. So I Google searched Grammarly Google extension, and then I can see that the second one down is Grammarly for Chrome. So now I'm going to select Grammarly for Chrome, and it says, look, add it, it's free. I'm going to add to Chrome because it's free. All right, now it's going to bring me to the Chrome web browser store, which is where you could have started off to begin with. And I'm going to select this blue button, which is add to Chrome. It's going to ask me, am I sure I want to add this? Yes, I would like to add this extension. So you'll notice it's downloading on the left-hand side of my screen. So now I have Google Chrome here, and it's asking me if I'd like to sync it and manage it with all of my computers that are logged into this account. And yes, I do. Now, Grammarly has a great quick tutorial that you can walk through. It'll show you how to use Grammarly for Chrome. So go ahead. I highly suggest, if this is your first time, going through these steps to see how to use Google Chrome's Grammarly extension. All right. Now I'm going to continue to Grammarly. Now this is going to bring up the demo, and it's going to ask me to make sure I'm logged in to an account. You do need to be logged into an account. You can sign up for free or sign up for the premium account. All right, and then you'll notice I have it up here. So if I go to, let's say, Google Docs, and I'm writing within Google Docs, my extension is here. The little puzzle in Google Chrome is the extension logo. So if I select this, I can see all of the extensions I have. Now, these do have full access, and I want to pin this up to my browser for easy access. So now I know it's there. All right, so if I go to my Google Docs and I start typing, you'll notice it will now give me my Grammarly suggestions because I'm using Chrome and I have that extension. Okay, so you'll notice here are my settings. I am logged into my premium account. If you don't have an account, you would need to log in for a free account. You'll notice with the premium, I do have extra settings and extra suggestions, but if you don't, you still have great use of Grammarly and all of their writing suggestion tools. I hope this video helped you learn how to add Grammarly to your Google Chrome extension. If this video is helpful, please like this video, share it out with anyone else who may benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and I'll catch you in the next video.